Hello, and welcome to the walkthrough for Silver Etude number 2. Go ahead and make sure that you have your personal copy out so you can go over it with me. Remember, your notes will all be different depending on what instrument you play. If you go ahead and look at the beginning here, you should see that you have a key signature. If you are a flute, oboe, bassoon, trombone, euphonium, tuba, you should see B flat and E flat in your key signature. Clarinets, trumpets, tenor saxes have all naturals in the key. Alto saxes should have an F sharp in the key, and French horns should have a B flat in the key. If we look through this, there's a couple key things that you should notice. You have some slurs that you're going to want to make sure in measures 1, 3, 5, and 7. Make sure that you're getting those slurred articulations. And then a couple other things to watch out for. In measure 2, you should have an accidental on the first note. The second note doesn't have one, but because of our rule, it's the same note as earlier in the measure, so the accidental applies to it. So make sure that you carry over that accidental, that sharp sign, through the measure to apply to the second note. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, just making sure that you're getting the correct notes, rhythms, and then those articulations that we pointed out. Let's go ahead and count and clap through it. If you need to review the rhythm, here's a metronome. Go ahead and count and clap it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4 and off. Nice work. So go ahead and do that in chunks. I recommend that you practice it in 2-measure chunks. So measures 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, etc. And then go ahead and put those together. You can open up the video with the specialist on your instrument and practice right alongside them when you're ready to put those notes and rhythms together with the pro. I look forward to hearing your Etude number 2 pass off.